Hey guys, RJ here. So for today, I want to help you guys out with an error that you might be facing on Steam, which is a pending transaction error. So first off, what you would need to do is just go to your transaction history. I will go up here and then go to your account details. Once you're here, just click on view purchase history. Alright, so once you are here, you just need to find the transaction of the game that you are having a pending transaction on. For example, this, just an example. So on this screen here, it should show all the details on the purchase. And if it's still a pending transaction, right on the bottom here, there should appear like a cancel button, a cancel transaction. And once that is done, once your money is refunded, then feel free to try and purchase the game again, and hopefully that works out for you. And that is pretty much it, and I hope that helps you out. Have a good day.